If you're having trouble not getting templates on CapCut PC, you're definitely not alone. This is one of the most common issues people run into when they install the wrong version of CapCut or when the app needs a quick refresh before the template section shows up. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact fix step by step, so you can get the template library showing properly on CapCut desktop. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut and editing fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. The first thing you want to check is how CapCut was installed on your computer. If you downloaded CapCut from the Microsoft Store, that version can sometimes be limited or delayed when it comes to features like templates. So, if you have the Microsoft Store version installed, go ahead and uninstall it first. Then open your browser and go directly to CapCut's official website. Download the standalone desktop installer from there and install that version instead. This is important because the standalone app is usually updated more often and is much more likely to include the template library and other newer features. Once the installation is complete, open CapCut and sign in if needed. Now that you have the correct version installed, the next step is to do what I call the project refresh trick. This is a simple but very effective fix when the template tab is missing or not loading. Inside CapCut, click New Project. Once the editor opens, stay inside the editing timeline for a few seconds. You don't need to add anything complicated here. Just let the app sit in the project space for a moment so it can load all of its features properly. After that, close the project and go back to the main home screen. In many cases, the template tab will now appear where it was missing before. If you still don't see it right away, give the app a moment to finish loading, then restart CapCut once more and check again. Sometimes the desktop app just needs that extra refresh before the library becomes visible. Another thing to keep in mind is making sure CapCut is fully updated. Even if you installed the correct version, an outdated build can still cause missing features. So if you see an update prompt, install it before checking the template section again. Also, make sure you're logged into the account properly, because some features may not display correctly until the app recognizes your profile. If you've gone through the standalone install and the project refresh trick, and templates still haven't appeared, try closing CapCut completely and reopening it once more after a minute or two. That final restart often helps the app reload the interface correctly. The main idea here is that the Microsoft Store version may not give you the full experience, while the standalone desktop app usually does. And in many cases, opening a new project first is enough to force CapCut to load the template tab on the home screen. So to quickly recap, uninstall the Microsoft Store version if you have it, download the official standalone CapCut desktop app, install it, open a new project, stay in the timeline for a few seconds, then return to the home screen and check for the template tab. That's the fastest way to fix not getting templates on CapCut PC. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if this fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.